In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually block off entire months in your Acuity Scheduling account. This can be incredibly useful if you're planning an extended vacation, a sabbatical, or just need a clear schedule without appointments for any month-long period. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to mark entire months as unavailable with ease, ensuring your clients know when you're not available. Now, let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Acuity Scheduling account. If you haven't done this before, it's as simple as entering your username and password on the Acuity homepage. Once you've landed on your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to your calendar. The calendar is your main hub for managing appointments and blocking off time, so you'll find yourself here often. Look out for the option labeled Block Off Time and give it a click. This option allows you to manage the times you'd like to make unavailable for bookings. When you're aiming to block an entire month, you'll need to select Block Multiple Days from the given options. This feature is designed for precisely this purpose, so it streamlines the process significantly. Next, set the start date to the first day of the month you're targeting. For example, if you're looking at August, you'd select August 1st, then for the end date, choose the last day of the same month. If it's August, you'd select August 31st. This ensures that every single day of the month will be marked as unavailable. After setting your date range, you'll specify which calendars need blocking. This is particularly important if you manage multiple calendars and only want some of them to reflect the block. Make sure to select the appropriate ones so that there's no confusion down the line. Additionally, you have the option to add notes to this block. This could include reminders or notes on why the month is being marked off. It's a handy feature if you want to jog your memory in the future or provide context to team members who might also look at the calendar. Finally, to cement all these changes, click Add Block or Block Off Time. This final step will save all your inputs and make sure that your availability is updated to reflect the entire month you've marked as unavailable. And that's it. You've successfully blocked off an entire month in your Acuity Scheduling account, ensuring you have the time you need without any automatic bookings coming in. This simple process helps keep your calendar organized and tailored to your specific needs. So, whether you're gearing up for some personal time or preparing for a big commitment, your calendar now accurately reflects your availability, and your clients will be well informed.